Hello everyone and welcome back to WAM'S tutorial. Today in this video we are going to see how do I prepare my personal planner, that is daily planner. So all you need here is some A4 size plain sheets and colored sheets. You can either keep it only plain white sheets or you can just mix it up with some different color sheets. So here I am going to jumble it up together. Divide all the sheets in equal 4 volume, and now you have to just fold the sheets from the center part and press the center, and do with all the sheets. Once we are done jumbling, we will next move on to the center part to be holed up. You can mark it randomly wherever you want to stitch it or you need to staple. So here with the help of a push pin I am trying to make holes through which I could pass the needle and the thread. Now we are going to stitch the book. Use any color of thread of your choice. Please make sure that you follow the stitching process properly. Here, follow each step clearly so that you do not misplace any of the part. Here we are done with our stitching. So the next step here is use your clamps and attach it to the corners of the book. And then you need to add some glue on the top and spread it evenly. Make sure you keep this book aside for at least 30 minutes to dry it up. So until our book is getting dried up, let us make the cover. Please do not judge me with my cardboards, as I had no cardboards, so I could take my old book and just take out the hardboard sheets from the old books. And now I am taking a wrapping sheet here. This printed page will be used as the outer part of the diary, or you can even call it as my daily planner. So here I am going to paste the cardboard sheets on the printed paper. To paste it, you can either use Fevicol or glue stick. Paste all the parts equally and in a proper direction. Moving on to the next step, let us just wrap it up now. Folding your corners in this way can help you prevent the corners. So now we are done with our covering. Let us move on to the book part. So as you can see, our glue has dried up. Now we are just going to cover the messy part which is in the center. So now the next step is we are just going to glue it in the center and paste it to the hardboard. So now this will be our last step for our daily planner. You need to take an extra sheet here and cover it as I have shown. This is just to avoid the messy part on the hardboard, and even this helps in the books to be sticked very strongly. So this you have to do on both the sides. So yeah, here is our daily planner ready. So now let us move on to make a little more detailing. So now for more detailings, here I am using paper pack which I have got almost 4 to 5 months before. To know more about this, you can just check the video which I'll be linking down in the description box below. So here I am using a beautiful print of flower. Now this part is completely optional. You can just do it or you can just skip it out. Stay tuned for my next video in which I will be showing you how will I use this daily planner and what do I mention in it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you.